see. It means I am there in Chennai. Chennai to I am going Puducherry. Puducherry is a famous tourism in Tamil Nadu. It's very famous in tourism. After Kadalur, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli and Madurai. Madurai is a famous temples in Madurai Meenakshi Amman Koil after jasmine flower. After one Kodimaram. James Church Kotai Kodimaram Uyaram 150 Adi. Wow, it's a nice place. Seriously, a good place. That one. Miga Veeramana Thiruvallusare 133 Adi Uyaram Kanyakumari. Wow, it's very nice place. I'm going to there only. Veeramana Kadalkarai. Very not 13 kilometers. It means